know how to make a proximity prompt that can make your screen shake and change the color while shaking. Alright, this is what I'm gonna do. That's it. So let's begin. So first we need to change the color, right? So in lighting, we're gonna put a color correction effect. So lighting is basically the place where you can change the color of the screen and add some filters to it, as you can see. Okay, I'll just go with this color. Let's go to the local script. So in the local script we are going to basically do the screen shake, but before that I'm gonna get the lighting on it. So that is game.lighting, and now let's get the color correction, which is inside the lighting. So, and now we need to get the humanoid. Since the local script is in starter character scripts, we can just say script.parent.humanoid. And now the screen shake part. I'm gonna put wait 5 so I can show y'all what's happening. If y'all want to do it in a button, then yeah, whenever a button is clicked, y'all should write the script I'm gonna write now. I mean the code. So let's begin. So we are going to basically do a for loop. So for I, right, for I equals to 120 do. So from 1 to 20 it's gonna shake 20 times. Alright, the screen is gonna randomly shake 20 times. So now we need an X, Y, Z screen shake. So if you only want the screen to shake in X, then this is it. If you want it to go in the Y axis, this is it, and Z axis, this is it. So then we need to set it. So I'm just gonna say math.random, and here we're gonna take the full screen. So to do that we're gonna say minus 100, minus 100, and positive 100. Then we are going to divide this by 100. So this goes for everything here, right? So then we are going to use humanoid dot camera offset. So the camera offset is basically the offset of the camera, so you don't have to mess with your player camera. So whenever you want to reset, you can just set it to 0 by 0 in vector value. So now let's do this. So vector 3.new. Alright, so right, so in the vector value we are gonna now say X, Y, Z. If you don't want to go in the X way, you just put 0 here. But if you want the screen to shake in every angle, then you should just put X, Y, Z, then put a weight. If not, you won't see it shake well because there won't be weight. Yeah, that's it here. You can even do this as a function. So we can just say function shake screen and put it in here. Now the screen should be shaking if I start it. Wait, forgot to call this. As you can see, it's shaking. It shaked 100 times that fast. You can reduce it back. So this is the function for it. You can check the code here. Now the color should work. So basically the color is so dull right now. I'm gonna uncheck the enable so it will go back, and now we are gonna come back here and change it. So to do that, it's pretty simple. We are going to just say here lighting.enabled equals to true. I mean the color correction that dot enabled equals to true, so it will be enabled before the screen shake happens. And we need to change the color every screen shake. If you want that to happen, just put this line of code. So what do I call it? Changing color. Here we are gonna say color correction dot tint color equals to color 3 from RGB, or you want it randomly, so so we can just say, if you want it randomly, we say math.random. This is the color portion, so the tint color here, and we change it by randomly by doing this, and then color correction dot enabled false, so whenever this is over it'll again go to false. So if you want it to be a bit slow, then you can change the weight here. I'll put a 0.5. That's disgusting, I know. Let's just go with weight. You saw that we changed color and did some vibration stuff. So this is how you do it, and you can keep this function, and then whenever you want the screen to shake, just call this like that, right? So yeah, that's how it is. Peace.